welcome back to Alberto's Adventures, and today we'll be showing you this room at the Aria, which is on the 11th floor, room 11104, 2 queen bed at the Aria. Alright, so this is the entryway, and it's just like the king room, just on the opposite side. So this is the entryway. We have our 2 closets, drawers in the middle, luggage rack, hangers. It's a nice size closet. Robes, ironing board, iron, more luggage racks, another luggage rack. And then on the right hand side of this room you have your bathroom. Walking in you have toilet area, there's a phone, and you do have dual sinks. This vanity mirror here. Storage, extra towels, hair dryer. Close this. It's a nice mirror, it's nice lighting. And then the shower and soaking tub inside. It's a nice size, it's very nice in here. Big tub. Sitting area. And coming out of the restroom, we have a mirror. And here is the 2 queen beds. Nice work area. Television. We have the refrigerator. We have the ice bucket, cups. Seating area, little side table, and this is the view that we have. So you can see the Park MGM, New York, MGM, the Veer Towers. Down there is like the main entryway to the main lobby of Aria. 2 queen beds. And in the center we have more drawers, phone, huge lamp, and a tablet also. All Aria rooms that controls everything in the room. Room service, takeout, delivery, information on restaurants, weather. And on either side of the bed here you have the lamp, a little reading lamp controls. Artwork there on the side. And yeah, 2 queens at Aria. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one.